Ever notice how money flows in an economy, almost like energy in a physical system? Today, I'm going to explain a fascinating concept that helps us understand this better: kinetic exchange models. Kinetic exchange models are a set of economic theories that describe how wealth circulates within an economy, drawing analogies from physics. Specifically, these models are inspired by the kinetic theory of gases, where particles exchange energy upon collisions. In the economic context, individuals or agents exchange wealth in transactions. According to a study published in the European Physical Journal, these models can simulate various economic scenarios, showing how wealth distribution evolves over time, often revealing a disparity where few accumulate wealth while many remain poor. So how does this apply to real-world economics? Kinetic exchange models offer insights into the randomness and inequality of wealth distribution. They help policymakers understand the underlying mechanisms of economic inequality and can guide in designing more effective economic policies. What's truly intriguing is how these models integrate concepts from physics to solve economic issues, bridging two seemingly diverse fields. This interdisciplinary approach not only enriches our understanding, but also broadens the scope of solutions we can devise for economic challenges. As researchers and policymakers continue to explore and refine these models, the potential to foster more equitable economic systems grows. Kinetic exchange models aren't just theoretical constructs, but tools for real change. So, next time you hear about economic models, remember some of them might just have their origins in the fundamental laws of physics, showing once again how interconnected our world is.